Welcome to ISE's FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly outlook on the US dollar versus the major currencies, hosted by Jason Ayres, a top industry instructor and founder of OptionSource.net. Learn to trade your views on the strength or weakness of the US dollar.
Well, hi there, and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for June 8th, 2009. This is Jason Ayres, founder and president of OptionSource.net. As always, we're going to start with a look at our U.S. dollar index. As you can see here, the U.S. dollar dipped lower but finished strong with an anticipated bounce off of that 79.80 support level. At this stage, a natural retracement should rally this index up into that 82.5 focal zone. A close below 79 opens the window for that U.S. dollar to continue down to test a key support level found within the 76-77 range. Quick look at our daily snapshot conveys the extent of the downside move that has taken place over the last several weeks, with that 82.5 box being an important resistance level to any upside move. With that in mind, let's take a look at the first of our ISE FX options pair values, the CDD. Well, the U.S. dollar hit our 108 target and bounced strongly back in to test resistance up into that 111, 112 focal zone. Now, at this stage, with some consolidation here expected within this range, we may see a pullback to test the upper level of that 107, 108 box. However, a continuation of this retracement is likely to move up into that 114.5, 115 focal zone. Well, the U.S. dollar rallied quite strong towards the end of the week against the Japanese yen, as seen here in the ISE FX options pair value YUK. Now, after such a large move into this 98-99 focal zone, some consolidation is expected here, with a natural pullback likely to test the upper range of this 96-97 box. We will likely see the YUK test resistance at the 99.5 level right here, as depicted with this black line, and a break of this level is likely to see a move towards that 100.5 to 101 focal zone. Well, the U.S. dollar continued its downtrend against the euro early on in the week before finishing Friday's session on a strong note back in to test that 71 to 71.5 focal zone. At this point, we may see a rejection here, which could conceivably come back and retest the upper range of that 69.70 box. However, a natural retracement of this preceding downtrend is likely to see a move up into that 72.5 to 73 range. Well, the U.S. dollar also extended its downtrend against the British pound, as seen here in the ISE FX options pair value BPX. Now, we did see a midweek reversal that rallied the U.S. dollar back into that 62-63 box. A rejection here is likely to come back down to test the upper range of our 59-60 focal zone. However, at this stage, a continued retracement is likely to test resistance up in at this 64-64.5 range. Well, the AUX, the US versus the Australian dollar, also reversed midweek to close Friday's session up in our 125, 126 focal zone. Now, a rejection here may look for support back down at this 121, 122 box. However, with a break above 126, we will be targeting the 130 to 131 range. Now, let's take a quick look at our key points. First of all, the U.S. dollar bounced as anticipated with some upside momentum. A continued retracement will likely test that 82-83 range. The CDD hit our 108 focal zone and bounced. We may see some consolidation and a possible rejection at 111, 112. However, a push above 112 will have us targeting the 115 area. The YUK is likely to consolidate within the 98-99 range after such a big upside move. Now, a push to test that 99.5 resistance is likely. The EUI bounced at our 69.70 focal zone and began its retracement. 72.73 is a logical upside target as momentum builds to the upside. The BPX extended its downside move towards our 58-59 box before reversing back up into that 62-63 focal zone. Although some consolidation is expected, the window is now open for a continued retracement targeting 64-65. Finally, the AUX extended its downside move as well before reversing back into our 124, 125 range. Now, with momentum building to the upside, we are looking for a retracement testing that 130, 131 range. And this has been your ISE FX Options Outlook for June 8th, 2009. I'm Jason Ayres of OptionsSource.net. Thank you very much for joining me this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For more information about Jason Ayres and to sign up for free FX Options trade alerts, just visit www.optionsource.net. To learn more about ISE FX Options, including our weekly webinar series, visit us at www.ise.com/fx. ISE FX Options can easily be traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.